leans toward the Warriors. If so, why?
Well, I've been hearing that most of the season. You know, as I said in the 7 o'clock, I started hearing it in November and hearing that he had talked with some of their players. Just, you know, not, hey, I'm definitely coming, but just, I love the way you guys play. I like to be in a system like that. They have fun, you know, all that types of stuff. And the Warriors have been very confident. You know, a few weeks ago, they were very confident that they were getting him. Now, you know, of course, it gets near and you're not sure. But, and I also know that he likes, you know, the way they play, the fact that they don't seem to have egos, you know, and it's just a team rather than, you know, 1 or 2 guys. And, you know, I just think that if he wants to go there, the time is now. They could win the championship next year without him.
True.
And then you, again, like we talked about earlier, you look bad going to a champion, a 2-time champion, whereas now you could go there, and even though a lot of people know they're great without him, if you lead them to a title or help them win a title, you're viewed as a guy that was kind of the missing piece. And let's remember, you know, we nitpick when we talk about champions and things like that. Golden State won its title last year, and a lot of people were critical of that. You know, oh, everybody was hurt that you beat. And then this year they come back and don't win it when people are healthy. You can argue they really should have lost in the conference finals. You know, so now you can make the argument if KD goes there and they win that, hey, they needed him. And they also talked to him about dynasty. This is not, if you're going to Golden State, you're not thinking just one title. And I don't want to get into the whole not 1, not 2, not 3. But you're really looking at a team where everybody is young and they have a perfect system for those types of players, especially if they add KD. And you could see them winning maybe 3 of the next 4 or something like that.